Welcome to Harry's Hobbies and another relatively short video. And this is the Graham's Motorcycle Emporium diorama. And what I have here, let me turn it around a little bit. This is the roof billboard. And you can see I've got some of the letters in there. And it's not completed. And I didn't run a video showing all of the letters being placed into their proper perspectives. And the reason for this is because this is kind of a drawn out process, because this is, you can see right through this. And the reason it kind of looks a little odd is because I work from the middle out and find the center letter and center that onto the billboard piece and then work out from there. And since this is 7 letters, it's pretty easy to figure out which one goes in the center, which would be the H. And how we attach these letters and get them adjusted into place is some of the gel Gorilla Glue, and I place it a little bit off of this rather large glob onto the area where the letters are going to be placed, right in the center. And then I pick up the letter and temporarily place it into position, and using a toothpick I adjust it where I want it to line up. And make sure it's kind of even with the other letters. And then we tap it down onto the placement area like that. And then we move on to the next letter, which in this case is the G. And we snip the small little nubs, because again, this is the basswood, and it's laser cut. And I've already pre-painted with the Harley orange for the sign. And then we lightly tap, because there's some very thin parts that can break quite easily. And you don't want to bust off the letters because it's a pain to try to repair these. And we get the letters to pop out. Like so. And then we repeat the process. I have enough left over from the last. I don't have to add to this. And then again, we lightly pick up the letter and place it onto the billboard. And we get it to line up into place. And once again, we tap this down. And get it into place. And then we have the completed sign, which will go on top of the main building. And I will touch up the orange paint using the Harley orange that I've got after the glue gets good and dried and set up. And that's how we go about doing that. So once again, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.